Hey friends, if you wish to install YouTube app in my Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So go to the site music.youtube.com and hit enter. Now there is no app for it, and if you don't believe me, you can also check it at your end. You can check for YouTube Music on Microsoft Store and even otherwise. YouTube Music. Okay, this is the app. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select more tools, and then click on apps and then select open app. Okay, now the YouTube Music app has been installed. Let's check if we find it here. Simply search for music in the Windows search bar and you'll find the YouTube Music app, and now you can use it as an app. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.